So here's my project apps. And we updated the menu. So we added this to the list operations or list operations, update and delete. Then we did the same thing in the switch. So those get picked up and those are the cases right there. Um, First up, I might delete method. And this is, if you use a list of projects, then you'll go through and get the user input for this variable. Then I'll take that variable, pass it through to this method in project service, which is then linked to project DAO for the update, and the update and delete statements will do that once when they hit project service there. Then Windows will run. Then so that will delete it. That'll be the statement that comes back when it is deleted, and this will set the current project to null after the delete. And then right here we have the update project, and if the user does not pick an option, this is the error message that pops up. And then these variables will hold the new values and the prompts from the user input. And there's a new instance of project to hold the new values here from here. So this is like so it's like if statement. So if object is null, no change. If it is not null, then it'll take on the new update the new values. And um, this will run the update statement. Again, go to project service and the project DAO. Then this will get the current project uh, put it into current project. And so if we look at the methods really quick. The where are we? Oh yeah, so modify project details. Here's the SQL statement. There's getting the connection. There's the try catch. There's the prepared statement to load those values, put those values into the SQL statement where the question marks are. Then same thing. Here's for the delete. Here's the delete statement, where project ID and the project ID gets filled from the prepared statement right there. So let's go run the app really quick. Um, and actually, I need to run this real quick. So I can load the tables again. And, okay, so we got the app. So first thing, we're going to try and update without selecting a project to get the error. There's the error right there. So now we're going to update a project. Oh, well, actually, we need to pick a project. And okay, so all right, so project. And then we are going to pick project, house one, and those are the values that are put in there. So now we're going to update the project, and we're going to say this is house five. Let's do 120. Let's do 120. Let's do five. Let's do 005. And so that was updated. And let's check the list. So house one is now house five, and let's select the project, and we now see those values were updated to what we selected. Now let's do the delete. So we're gonna do five. Now we're going to try and delete a project that does not exist. Get the error. So project 10 does not exist. Try again. So now we're actually going to delete the project. So five, we'll delete house five, which is project one. Project one, house five, so let's successfully deleted. And let's do number two for list of projects, and house or project one, house five is now gone. That's it. Thank you.